guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog, another day in my life. Today is 27th of April and it's currently 8:15 a.m. right now, and I woke up really cranky today because a of the heat, and second b because your girl just got down with her monthly cycle. And yeah, I'm really chumming and all, but I really wanted to make a vlog today, film a vlog today, because otherwise at the end of the day I know I would feel really bad and unproductive. So I was like, I just have to film. I would take rest in the mid if I really feel like taking a lot of rest and just being in my bed with my heating pad on and everything, but I just have to film. Also, the heat these days is super bad. The sun is just going through the roof, and it's April only. I don't know what's gonna happen in the coming months, May, June, July. Mein I don't know kitna garmi padega, and that's why I have put my hair in this very lame bun. And yeah, that's all about the day to begin with. Also, today I'm not gonna have my coffee. I'm going to have this matcha tea from Vadam. This is something that I got last year, guys, and if I be really honest, I just had it for two times. Once for my video and another time like off camera, and then I never used it back again. So today I'm gonna have it because it is close to its expiry. It's gonna expire in November 2024, and I really don't like things to go bad and go waste. So I'm just gonna use it, and I have decided that I'm gonna have my cold matcha tea every once in a while, at least once a week. So this is what we are having. Also, for having this, I know matchas do not really do well with the dairy milk, so we are gonna use some plant-based milk. So you can use either oat milk or soy milk or coconut milk or almond milk, whatever you prefer, but I'm gonna make my personal coconut milk with my own coconut ghar ka. Like, I just have this so much of coconut ki giri lying here, and I'm just gonna run it into the blender, into the mixer, and usko strain karke I'll have my own ghar ka organic coconut milk. So this is what we're gonna do now, and I really hope that I love this new feeling after such a long time of replacing my coffee with something else. It took me forever, guys, to really prepare this matcha, and it's tasting okay. I'm having it after an year almost. It's tasting okay. I won't say it's like very yummy or delicious or anything. I obviously love my coffee the most. I'm really loyal to my coffee, but it's okay to have like every once in a while. I'll definitely keep having this. I won't let that entire matcha ka packet go waste. just turned out a little sweet, guys, because of the added honey and the carrots, I believe. But it's not too sweet. I usually do not add sweet stuff to my salads or stuff because I'm not really a sweet tooth person. But it's the right amount of sweet in the salad that you can have without complaining. So I'm gonna have it, and it's quite yum. Not like yum yum, but it's like good. Hi guys, I'm back after my afternoon ka nap, and I'm really sorry if you find me irritating, and this has become almost a thing. I don't know how come it has just become a pattern, or you may say a routine for me, that I just have my lunch and then I go to sleep, and then I wake up after having my nap, and then I have something or the other in front of you people to open, to unbox, or to unpack. And I don't know, I seriously am sorry if you find that really boring or irritating by now. But I have these 3 packages lying, one from Dermaco, another one from Amazon, and the third one also from Amazon. These two I haven't ordered. This is something my sister sent again, and this one I know what exactly inside. There's only 2 products, only 3 products. 2 of those are same and one is another different product. So I'm gonna open all of this, and this is some moringa hibiscus tea in my hand right now, which is a boost of antioxidants and stuff. I have always wanted to try out one of these kinds. I never got around trying one, but now as a habit I will definitely try this out, and it says it's caffeine free, so that's a really good thing. I think I'm gonna try this out in a while only, like after 15-20 minutes of filming this short. So okay, another box I'm gonna open is this one because I know what's inside, and the last packet I'm keeping for the last because it has something surprising for me, as my sister has already intimated me. So, and I don't know how come, but this box has come opened already, and the products are lying in the box separately. So this is my 30% AHA, 2% BHA face peeling solution. I ran out of the one I was using before completely, so I decided to buy another one. This is the new one, and the other 2 products are the same. This is this moisturizer, 1% salicylic acid, oil-free daily face moisturizer for active acne and stuff. This has been working on my skin so good these summers. I cannot tell you, I've been just loving applying this, and since it's a really small tube, just 50 grams of a single product, a single tube, so I decided to get 2 of these. And yes, that's all I had in this Dermacoca box. Coming to the last packet, this is some coffee. Okay, this is definitely some coffee. I had an intuition that it's going to be some coffee because the box shape almost is equal to the coffee box ka shape. And when I asked her ki kya bheja hai, she was like, something that you love the most. And my immediate thought to that was, I love coffee the most, but I did not tell her that. I mean, I did think that it's coffee that I love the most, but I didn't say to her that it's coffee. Has sent me over some Davidoff coffee, and that too in fine instant coffee cafe. What? It says it's elegant and fragrant, refined and perfume. But yeah, it's from Davidoff. I have tried out one, I think hazelnut variant from Davidoff before, if I'm not wrong, and that was long back. But yes, I'm really excited to start drinking this.